Welcome to all of you in Teaching Junction channel. In this video, we will learn how to make pie graph in Microsoft Excel. So let's start this tutorial. I have already entered the data about the family expenditure. This column shows the items and this column shows the expenditure of each items. So to make pie graph, first we select this data. So I have select this data. Yes, and go to Insert tab. Click on pie chart and this one. So click on chart area and here quick layout appears. I will select layout number 6. Legend appear here and it can also contain title. I will edit this title, so I will write family expenditure here. Click enter. So I have modified the title of the graph. So go to home. I will change font size to 20 and bold it. So I select this graph area, right click and go to format data series. In format data series, there is the option of pie explosion. You can move these pieces through using this option. Firstly, I will tell you that if I will single click on it, then it will select the whole area. If I further double click on any piece, then it will select that piece. You can see here that this piece is selected here. So if I point explosion I increase point explosion, you can see it will start moving, and if we decrease it, it will come to its original place. So similarly, I will go to these options of fill and line. Go to fill. If you want to quickly change the color, you can see this option. But if you want to format is individual pieces and you want to fill individual color by selecting individual piece, then you will follow the previous method. Firstly click on this graph, then double click on this piece and go to fill and series option. Select color you want. I will select green. Its color change to green. Then I select this one and I want its color appear should be red. Similarly, you can select this and change its color to this one. So you can also go to line option here, select this area, go to fill and line, scroll down, we want solid line and color of the line should be black, width 1.5 is equal, okay. So you can see here the graph is changed now. I click on this data, the percentages which appeared here, right click on it and here different options appear. You can select any option. You can see here the percentage option is checked here, so here it displays only percentages. If I want that these value should be appear in the graph, then I click on this value. You can see here percentage as well as the value is appeared in this graph. If I uncheck percentages, then only values appeared. So in this graph, I will want percentages as well as value categories. No, as well as category name. These are categories name: food, clothing, house rent, fuel. So I resize this graph using this handle. So I also want to move this legend here and resize it. I select this chart area and go to effect, shadow, and I want preset option inside top right. So it give 3D effect. So I will adjust font size of this, go to home and 12. Bold. You can also move according to your requirement. If you select chart area, you can also resize it. Select this one and move here. I will select this legend and change its size to 12. Now if you select this chart area, go to format and shape fill I will change to yellow and shape outline red, and the weight of shape line I will select this one. So here you can see our pie graph is finally ready. It looks pretty good. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.